MOHFW orders stipend increment for resident doctors, a positive step for healthcare professionals. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, MOHFW, has approved a stipend increment for resident doctors across India, significantly benefiting those in government medical colleges. In Maharashtra, resident doctors will receive an additional 10,000 rupees per month starting 1st March 2024. This increase comes after a successful negotiation by the Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors, MARD, following an indefinite strike that highlighted the need for better financial support. The new stipend structure, which ranges from 75,000 rupees to 85,000 rupees based on seniority, exempts residents from income tax as it is classified as a stipend rather than a salary. Lessons learned for doctors. 1. Advocacy and solidarity. The successful negotiation for the stipend increase underscores the importance of collective advocacy among healthcare professionals. Unity and organized efforts can lead to significant changes. 2. Awareness of rights. Doctors should be aware of their rights regarding compensation and benefits, enabling them to advocate effectively for improvements in their working conditions. 3. Importance of communication. Open communication between resident doctors and administrative bodies is crucial for addressing concerns and negotiating better terms. Warnings for doctors. 1. Potential backlash. While advocacy is essential, doctors should be prepared for potential backlash from administrative bodies when pushing for changes, especially if it involves strikes or protests. 2. Financial planning. With the increase in stipends, doctors should plan their finances wisely to manage their expenses effectively and avoid financial stress. Prevention measures. 1. Engagement with professional associations. Joining professional associations can provide doctors with resources and support in advocating for their rights and benefits. 2. Regular updates on policies. Staying informed about changes in policies related to stipends and benefits can help doctors make informed decisions regarding their careers. 3. Establishing feedback mechanisms. Creating channels for feedback between residents and administration can facilitate ongoing dialogue about needs and concerns, preventing future disputes. By learning from this recent development and implementing these lessons and preventive measures, resident doctors can better navigate their professional landscape and advocate for their rights effectively.